Hey everybody, Jerry Johnson here, MKE Property Detailing. We're out in Wauwatosa, about to do a Lannon Stone Cleaning. You guys see here? It's got a lot of mold and algae buildup, especially right here in this little corner. There's a lot of sun, so you can't see. See all through here, and then also on the chimney here. On the edges, it's pretty bad. I'll spin it around and show you guys here. Alright, you guys can see all the algae and mold staining and everything, especially on the window seals. What we're going to do is spray up our solution, let it kill all this mold and algae, and then the degreasers is going to basically work to penetrate the dirt that's on there and release it and bring it forward, so that's the way when we rinse it off it comes right off. And then we got these areas here, and then the chimney, which is really bad. See that there? That's just years of buildup of mold, algae, and whatnot. But yeah, we're going to show you guys the process, and we're going to get started right now. What we got going on right here is we got Anthony going ahead and soaping down the side. Yeah, it's a cold, brisk day out in Wisconsin. Now we got Anthony rinsing her all down, getting all that black mold and algae off. As you guys can see, it's low pressure stream. No high pressure is hitting this home. We never put any ladders on the house, so you guys can see. We use the platform ladder. See how Anthony's actually standing on the platform of the ladder, giving us an extra like 6 foot, whatever height he is, along with the X-Jet stream. So yeah, we could reach 3 stories, no problem. You guys see, it's like a complete transformation. You guys remember how bad this was? There's a lot of algae staining. Right here was a lot of mold. It's all gone now. That it was right here. And then by the chimney, it was really bad. It's all cleaned up now. Looking great. If you have a Lannon Stone home and that dirt and algae is really getting on your nerves and you want to get it gone, give us a call at 414-399-1595. We'll come out, give you a free estimate, and we can complete a project just like this in just one day, and you guys see the complete difference it makes. Again, 414-399-1595, or visit www.mkeclean.com. Thank you.